next president of Champlain Voices is
Paul Betts.
Oh! Wow! Congratulations, Paul! You are the new president of Champlain Voices! Self-advocacy means, for me, it means be able to take control of my own life, make my own decisions. Because often when I was younger, I didn't really get to make a lot of decisions, or I've wanted to make some, but I was worried about being judged for it. So this empowered me to be able to do it fearlessly.
Self-advocacy helps me with my self-confidence and gets me out of my comfort zone and helps me to be more independent.
The self-advocacy is a lot to me. Ever since when I first find out about I have a disability, part of my life now, and because every day I do is related to the self-advocacy. Champlain Voices is a local group and working with the self-advocacy with our own agency, and we got our own team and working with the community to see what our own vision have for our groups.
We can shine some light on being able to keep supporting why advocacy is so important to all of us in the community, and to be able to help others understand what challenges and strengths we go through every day.
Often, people with disabilities, they're often having decisions made for them, but we are self-advocates. You're saying like, no, this is our life. We want to make our own decisions of how we see fit, especially if you're someone who is semi-non-speaking or not completely non-speaking. You need to use a device to be able to communicate, and that you should never underestimate people with disabilities' ability to do anything that they want to do in their lives.
If you're afraid to use your voice and you have a machine or something like that that helps you to talk, use your machine to the best of your ability and talk from your heart. It's important that people need to hear what you've got to say.
What does self-advocacy mean to you?
It means I have the option to join the conversation.
I'm stand up for I'm willing, and how other people believe the same thing.
What do you do at your meetings? I am the happy energy. I used to be vice president, and it meant you assisted in running the meeting.
At the meetings, we work together, we have an agenda, we do meditation, then we do some sort of question to see what everybody's day was like.
And breathe in and out one more time.
2 years I've been the vice president. I would step in when the president was out, and I would lead the meetings and have more confidence in myself.
Thank you.
To play an officer role means you need to be dependable, you need to be able to be caring and kind and supportive, and work hard with your local self-advocacy group.
Trying to survive the office, going for it to the best of your ability.
And for the president, I ran for 2 years, and I get to working with the self-advocacy from the all over country sometime when I working with them. And also because I also work with the Green Mountain self-advocacy, so I get to see what the self-advocacy need, and so at the same time I can bring a message from other people to our groups.
Self-advocacy is very important professionally for me because I'm a professional peer advocate. I work for Howard Center, and I also used to work for Northwestern Counseling Services before I moved to Champlain Voices. So self-advocacy has been empowering on so many different levels.
I think I have grown in my community that my voice does count, and I do my own program, my own show called Prideability, and I have done some really great interviews with people that are on the LGBTQIA spectrum, and I'm proud of that.
We could shine some light on people having a voice. I made a movie called I Am in Here, which shows that we have a voice.
I am one of those people who get to live in their home of origin for most of their life.
I am taking more the private classes. I've done that a bunch of times now. I have so many photos. I just take a bunch of photos from my computer.
I'm really shy, and it's hard for me to be out of my comfort zone and have more confidence in myself. Makes me feel good, so I can share my ideas and have people listen. It's like a judge-free zone where nobody would judge you if you make a mistake.
You should not have anybody tell you any less that you're not valuable on this earth.
We'll be so excited to have you here. Being part of the group will make us stronger as well.
Good. How are you?
So you can meet new people and share your ideas and thoughts.
Please come along, because we really need you part of the table, because your voice does count.
This is your life, and be able to make your own decisions on how you see fit. Do what makes you happy.
I am the happy energy.
No matter if you're a high school student or clients here already at CCS, or you just want to be part of self-advocacy group, but you're not part of anything right now, come join us. I mean, you'll have a blast.
I would like to see more people join Champlain Voices.
Thank you.